friends, how are you doing? And this is Tony FX again. Today I'll be showing you how to claim GoldenBresco. GoldenBresco is a coin that was designed by the team who helped Elon Musk to engineer his truck, the future truck that will be driven on Mars and driven on the moon. So if you get in right now, you'll be able to earn GoldenBresco in your TrustWallet. It has an estimated value of $27,500 on the listing when it's going to be listed on an exchange, and you have less than 24 days to get this done. As at this time we produce this video, you have less than 24 days to get this done, because when it's listed on an exchange, the price will definitely increase, and that is in 24 days. So if this is your first time, like, share and subscribe to this channel. In this channel, we give you awesome content, valuable content that give you the right knowledge to understand the crypto market and make proper decisions on how to handle your funds. Here, we're going to teach you the basics of how to trade the crypto market. We're going to give you the strategies you use to trade the crypto market. We're going to give you the right tool sets, the right devices you need to have, the right laptop you need to have to go into the crypto mining, blockchain, and all other technologies that it has to involve with the crypto market. Also, here you're going to get valuable information on how to trade, when to trade, and our special strategy. I'll be giving you guys hints and updates as we move along. So click the like button right now, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. We'll move over to Telegram channel right now, so we can go and copy the link of the GoldenBresco coin, which we'll be sharing with you. I'll drop the link on the description. You can get it from the description, and you can also get it from our Telegram channel. In this Telegram channel, you will be updated on whenever we drop free and valuable content like this. You need to also join our YouTube channel, so that whenever we drop this content on YouTube, you'll be able to get the information as quick as possible before any other person. So now the YouTube has the Telegram has loaded. So we have a channel called the 10xCA token community. If you click on YouTube, our link is on YouTube, you'll be added to this community. We have the aim of growing this community to 1,000 to 2,000 followers, and also we want to hit the target of 1,000 subscribers. As you can see, there are people that have been added to this community and they are earning value. You can see how people are joining massively to get this value. So don't be left behind. So I've copied the link now. Then we'll move over to TrustWallet. This is TrustWallet app. You click on the TrustWallet and open it. This is the TrustWallet with a blue shield. For you to get this transaction done, you need to have BNB, Smart Chain BNB, in your wallet. As you can see, I have 2.67 BNB. For an advice, airdrops are for future purposes. These are projects that are being handled, because the future economy we are heading into now, everyone is going to have their own currency. So now this airdrop now is for you to get a currency of this future truck when it will be driven in the moon. Maybe they'll use the coin to buy gasoline, or they use it to buy energy in case it is powered by energy. They'll use it to exchange just a lot of things within the ecosystem of this community. So I've copied the link. I'll drop the link you need to copy in the Telegram group chat. So after you copy that link and open your TrustWallet, you click over here DApp. Then click on DApp, and you come over here and paste the link. Here we have the search or enter website. You come over here and paste it. In case you're using an iPhone, you won't be able to get the DApp on your phone. Then we click on search. The solution to iPhone users right now is, because I also use an iPhone, but I'm currently showing this video through my Android. I will currently use an iPhone. I downloaded Metamask from the App Store, and I connected my my wallet. I created a wallet in Metamask. Then I transferred BNB Smart Chain to the Metamask. In case you have BNB in your TrustWallet already on your iPhone, you can transfer it to your what? To your Metamask BNB, and then from there you get access to the DApp and claim these coins. So now the site has opened up. We need to change this Ethereum icon up here. You have to click on it just once. Click on it just once, and we just clicked on it. Then you click on Smart Chain. You click on Smart Chain. Then the site has to load up again. Let's wait patiently. So this is GoldenBresco, and I already explained to you the purpose and the vision of the team behind it. You can go through it, see the truck that will be driven in the moon and on Mars. It has a very bright future, and everyone knows that Elon Musk, the second richest man in the world, as this video is being created, has his own truck. He's the first man to ever travel to the space. He owns a company that created a rocket to travel to space, and he's been investing in space. So he's the first man on earth to own a company and use the company to create a spacecraft and travel out of space. So that's very, very marvelous what he has done. So as you can see, we have 23 days left to claim this. 23 days left to claim this valuable coin, and as you can see, at the time of listing is going to be $22,550. You can go through this and study more about this coin. You can also add yourself to the Telegram and earn more. So we're going to click on claim airdrop right now. We'll claim airdrop. You need BNB Smart Chain in your wallet to be able to do this. So here you can see we have $0.13 dollars. Yes, this is okay to claim an airdrop, but most times I can get claims of $1. And if you watch my video consistently, the previous video, you will see a way whereby you can cut down on charges. Then you click on approve. You click on approve. So I click on approve. The claim has been successful. I can copy my referral link right now and share it with you guys to claim this airdrop too. Okay, so after you have claimed the airdrop and you're able to copy your referral link to share with your friends, your family, and your community, you click this home button, this four home button here. You just click on it once, and it takes you back to the search browser. Then you go back to your wallet. And if you scroll down, you won't find that coin here. You won't find it. All you need to do now is that you need to go and copy the contract address, which will be dropped for you on the description and also in the Telegram group. So you need to join the Telegram group to get this to get the contract address, or you can find it on YouTube description right now. Then you copy that Telegram contract address. It might be impossible to copy it from YouTube. Then you go to your Telegram. So you move over to this place where we have a toggle icon. Just click on that toggle icon and you paste that contract address here. You just click once and paste. Then paste. And you can see no asset found. You have to click on add custom token. And then this add custom token opens up. You go to Ethereum and click on BNB. Click on it once and then change it to what? Smart Chain, just like we did on the website. Then I noticed that if you copy and paste this contract address here yourself by holding this way and clicking on paste, clicking on this paste now, it won't work. You need to come and click this blue labeled paste. You need to click on this blue labeled paste just like this, and it will come out automatically. GoldenBresco, the symbol and the decimal. You're not done yet. You have to click on done to complete this. Click on done. Give it some time. Voila, the claim has appeared in your wallet. So when it is listed in 23 days, you'll be able to sell it off on an exchange and make good profit. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I hope you liked this video, and share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a wonderful weekend.